Our truck here today got a 2016 WRX turbo with 85K 10463. Oil was full and clean. Runs great. Nice and smooth. Just started, it's cold. We'll let it run for a minute. Sounds good though. Got a set of Blizzak snow tires. 11/32. I'm going to sell those with the wheels. Somebody will want some wheels with our snow tires. 11/32 Blizzaks. Got a clean left front door. Does have a sunroof. Got a clean left rear door. Got a left rear quarter. Got a rear bumper complete with rebar. Got a deck lid with the spoiler. Hinges, spoiler, camera. The lid's really clean, bolt and play if you got a blue car. Got a right rear quarter clean. Got a left and right rear suspension complete. Got a right rear door, nice. Got a pair of rocker moldings if somebody's looking for them. Give my guys a call. We don't inventory them anymore, but we'll sell them. If you catch them before we dismantle the car, we'll pull them especially for you. Got a right front door clean. Got a pair of mirrors. Got a right and left front suspension complete. We've already seen the motor. Runs good. Just warming up. Idling down. Interior, bench in the back. Buckets in the front. Clean car. Got the black with the red stripes. Master window switch. It's got the base radio. With the Sirius and so on. Got the auto heater controller. It's obviously a 6-speed transmission. Got the upper tack on the dash. It's got a nice console. Has heated cloth seats. And she's got good bags all around. Sunroof comes with tracking motors. She's warming up. Nice and smooth. She's a good runner, 85K low miles, 6-speed. If you're looking for any parts off WRX, good running motor, 6-speed transmission, give my guys a call. We got lots of great parts in the yard. Have a great day.